Okay, welcome guys to the next tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make a window. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up the scene a little bit here just so that you guys can see straight through it, because if you're seeing grey on grey, you're not really going to you're not going to see much. So I'm just going to add some objects in here. You guys can add these, but you don't have to. I'm just adding them just for the purpose of this. So what we're going to want to do, making windows wise, and this is the way that I make windows. I don't know how you guys make windows, but for me, so if you want something that you're going to see through, you're going to want two planes with that one. But if you're going to want something that's just kind of stationary, then you're only going to need like maybe the one plane on there. So for example, if you're seeing windows from the outside and you know that you're not going to be looking into those windows, then I mean you could just make like a basic window shape, have your glass on there and everything, and then you can just move it anywhere that you want in the building. But if you want windows like I make the windows, then you're going to need to put holes in your walls to accommodate them. So I'll show you how I make them. Okay, so what we're going to start with is we're just going to add a plane. So we're just going to make a basic window today. So I'm just going to press S for scale. Just scale this up. And we are going to go to edit mode. You want to press Control R. Just get your midpoint right there. And then Control R on the other side just to get your midpoint. Now these are going to be the windows. So what we're going to do is Control R, go halfway. Control R, go halfway. Control R, go halfway. And we're just going to basically subdivide this. Now you can subdivide this if you want to. If you can see what you're doing, that's great. So we're just going to subdivide. So now we have these little ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around the edges of these subdivisions. Control R, just the whole kind of thing. So now we've got the center bit, and we're going to go Control R, just do 2 on the center right here. We're also going to go Control R again, do the center right here. Okay, so now we have this. We're going to go with the smallest corner right here. Just press Shift, Control, and that will select all of that one. Now you're going to press Shift, click, and then you're going to go Control again. Now you're going to press Shift, and then Control again. Shift, click, Control, Shift, click, Control. So now you've kind of got this thing, but notice that I made a mistake here, so I'm just going to press Shift and just uncheck these ones. Okay, so I'm just going to press Delete, and we're going to go Faces. So now we've kind of got this basic window shape going on. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, I think. Okay, so this, we want to rotate it 90 degrees so that it's standing up right. I'm just going to rotate it again. We're going to go 90, yeah, 90 degrees. So this is just showing the basic window stuff of what you can make on here. Obviously, if you want to make a more detailed window, you can do, but I'm just showing you the basics of how to make the glass within the window and the window itself. So if you guys have got more time, you can go ahead and you can just, you can make something a little better than I have right here. So what I'm going to do now is just make this brown. I'm just going to go ahead and change to cycles because we're doing the tutorials in cycles. So now you can see that we have a window shape here. So now we're going to add another plane. And what you want to do is rotate it 90 degrees again. And we're just going to place this in the middle here. And then we're just going to scale it outwards. And scale across. Okay, so now we notice that we've got intersecting vertices right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the window frame. We're going to go edit mode. I'm just going to select everything by pressing A. If extrude. And we're just going to pull it out a little bit. Now, this window, you're going to want to sit so that it's right in the middle there. So, what we're going to do now, to make the glass of the window, we're going to go to the materials section. I'll just put this on the opposite side so you guys can see what's going on. So we should get light coming through the window as well. This is why I positioned it like this. So for your window, we're going to come to the materials tab, press new, and we're just going to go to glass, BSDF. And you'll see that we've got kind of this reflection going on here. We've got some lights going on. What you want to do is just turn down your roughness. And now you can see that we've got the cube over here. And through this window, we can see the sphere on this side. And you can also see the cube's reflection here. And if you're on the sphere side, because there's no light on there at the moment, you can't see it. But if I was to move the light just there, you now can see the sphere. Through there you can see the square reflection. Just going to move this one again, just duplicate this and then just change the colour of it so you guys can see what's going on. Oh, come on. It won't move. Yeah, there we go. Right, so I'm just going to change this to green. So now we just move it around. You can see the green cube from the green light. You can see the icosphere, and then from the icosphere side, you can see the green cube, and then just about here you can see the reflection of the icosphere. So that's just basic windows in Blender. That's just how you put the glass in. Obviously it's not a detailed tutorial, it's just to show you how to do glass, if that's what you want to do in your projects. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Please hit subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.